Welcome back to the vlog. Look what I'm doing in this thing, man. I'm putting some vinyls, decals, and I'm sitting here, guys. I'm looking at it, and you see, this piece that I got here, it wasn't long enough. So what I did was that I got another piece of vinyl on my house. So I kind of like cut it the same size, so I could add this little front piece here on the front. Now from here it looked the same, but the one on the hood is a little more glossy than the one in the front. The one in the front is more like matte color. Now from far you cannot tell. Now before I put that piece on the front, I thought it looked pretty good. Like without this front piece, just the hood and this front piece clear, I thought it looked good. So I just add this piece just to see. But I don't know. I think I might end up taking that piece off. I mean, you can leave the comments in the comment section, but I don't know. And I put the one on the side. I don't know if you can tell from here. Let me see if I can make it closer. There. You see, you can tell the vinyl that I put on the side. I put that vinyl on the side. I kind of like that one. But it's just this piece right here that I'm trying to figure out if I should leave this front piece here or if I should just take it off. Like if I take it off, like if you imagine it's not there and it's just the hood, right on the hood, I think it look good. I think it still look good, like that. So I don't know. But let me show you the difference so you can tell. Let me see if you can tell the difference. It's hard to tell with the camera, but all right, here you can tell. You see, this is more matte color. This is a little bit more glossy. Like you can tell right there. You see, right there you can tell the difference. That's what I kind of don't like too much. I thought it was gonna match, but it didn't. So I'm thinking about taking this piece off. Just because this wasn't long enough. It would have reached up to like here, but I couldn't reach it all the way down. But I don't know. Kind of like it. And that's the one on the side. Come all the way to the front, all the way to the back. I think it looks pretty cool. I think the one on the side look cool. Like I'm gonna leave that one there. Definitely I'm gonna leave that one there. Oh, I put this sticker too here on the back. Stay humble. Boom. I don't know, I like the look on the ones on the side. I definitely like the look on the ones on the side. It's just the one on the front that got me bugging. I'm not sure if I should leave that short piece on the front or if I should take it off. You see, it don't match. Definitely don't match. But from far away you cannot tell. Now from here you can tell maybe a little bit. But from over here you cannot tell. Or maybe, I don't know. I think I'm gonna take it off. I think I'm gonna take the front piece off. Just because I think it looked good without that front piece all the way to the front. But I don't know, like I said, if you think I should leave the piece there, I got more vinyl. So even if I take that piece off, I got more vinyl in my house that I can cut and put that piece back. If you think if I should leave it there, just leave it on the comment section. But I'm thinking I'm gonna take it off. Yeah. Maybe I should stop the video and take it off and then show you how it looks without it. Like that you can have an idea. But anyway, I think I'm gonna take it off. I don't know, I keep bugging with me. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. You know what, I don't even need to pause the video to take it off. I can take it off right now. I'm gonna take it off and let's see how it looks without it. And you tell me if I should put it back on or what. But I think it looks good without it. So I don't think it's something that I really need in here. The good thing about this is that it's vinyl, so it's not like I'm painting the car, so it can come on, it can come off. Alright, there you go. Alright, now you tell me if it needed, or if it doesn't look good like that. Man, you see, now that I took it off, now it look weird because I already saw it with it. But before I put it on, I first saw it like this. And to me, it looked okay, it looked good. I don't know, now I'm thinking I should have put it back. But I don't know, but I like it that kind of way because it give it like this will be like a whole different thing going on here. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I might leave it like this for a little bit, but I don't know. Either way, I like it. Either way, I think I'm okay with it. Or maybe I just end up taking the whole line off. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I don't have another one if I change my mind. But anyway, if you got any question or anything, leave it on the comment section. I might leave it like that for now. If I feel like putting it back, I put it back. But what I don't like is that it doesn't match, and I think it look kind of like weird because it doesn't match. Because this thing wasn't long enough to go all the way on the front. I should have measured it, take the measurement before buying it. But anyway, that's the video for today. So hit the like button like always. Thanks for the new subscribers. You already know. Until the next one. Looks sexy though.